Hello viewers and crypto community, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Dear viewers, today we are exploring Eurocoin, a Japanese project that connects traditional mascot culture with blockchain technology. This project is more than just a token, it's about community, culture and digital innovation. Please note that this video is being made for only educational and informational purpose and it is not a financial advice. Please do your own research before making any investment decision because crypto and NFT projects are highly volatile. Before we delve into the details of the project here, I would like to request all my viewers, if you are new to my YouTube channel NFTAI Studio, please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss out the notifications of the further upcoming videos. Eurocoin, redefining a regional culture in the future world. So first of all, we will discuss what is Eurocoin. Dear viewers, Eurocoin is inspired by Japan's beloved Eurochara mascots. Holders of Eurocoin can join the Eurochara Grand Prix, vote for their favorite mascots, and support regional culture. Through its platform, it offers both digital experience and real-world community engagement. Now we will discuss utility and features. The project introduces the Euroverse, a metaverse dedicated to culture exploration where fans can interact with mascots and enjoy events in a digital space. Another highlight is the Euro Navi platform, which rewards users with points for posting about local specialties and joining events, creating a direct link between blockchain use and cultural revitalizations. So here you can also check further details. If you want to check the further details, here you can see that you can check top news, what is Eurocoin, tokenomics, white paper about Euro Navi and Euroverse. So here all details have been provided. Here you can also check the contract address, Japanese page, trade and coin market cap analysis, GoinJiko analysis. So other details have been provided. And here you can also check that it provides you a seamless connection and it provides you experience a world where digital asset supports real world communities. Here you can also check the integration with the metaverse and you can also enjoy the interactive and cultural exchange in the Euroverse where Eurochara comes to life. Here you can also check that you can grab the turning tradition into the economic foundation of the future. You can also check a new era shaped by the regional culture and blockchain. And this is an innovative project that transforms local charm into global economic value. And here you can check Euro Chara Grand Prix. So you can also check out the details here. Now we will discuss the tokenomics and the white paper. Here you can check the tokenomics details. Dear viewers, Euro coin follows a deflationary model. The total supply is fixed at 10 million tokens. With a new future minting, tokens are consumed through activities like voting, NFT trades, and event participations, keeping utility strong and supply limited. Here you can check out the details of the tokenomics. And now we will discuss the white paper. White paper is an important document. Dear viewers, the official white paper outlines the project vision of blending Japanese mascot culture with blockchain utility. It provides details on governance, token use cases, the structure of Euroverse, and the future community focus expansions. This document is the go-to resource for anyone wanting to understand the project's long-term roadmap and mission. Here you can also check out the details, key features of Euroverse, market analysis and opportunities. You can check the project objectives and visions. You can check the platform overview. Here you can also check the interaction between platforms. Here you can also check the user flow, registration and other details. Here you can also check the economics. Here you can also check that community reward is 30%, liquidity supply is 20%, marketing share is 20%, and development operation is 30%. You can check out the details about the utilities. You can also check out the staking mechanism. You can also check the governance rights and value capture mechanism. Here you can also check the value capture model. Here you can also check the euro points, earning euro points, and other details, point to coin exchange mechanism. And here you can also check the metaverse strategy. So all the technical and uh, explanatory notes have been provided here. You can find out the details, and I would like to recommend all my viewers to read out the white paper of the project. Now we will discuss Eurocoin on coin market cap. So here you can check out the coin market cap. Eurocoin is available on coin market cap and its price is 162.97 yuan. Currently, Eurocoin is trading at 162.97, showing a 2.58% increase over the last 24 hours. Its market capitalization at 1.24 billion yuan with a trading volume of 231.146 million, which indicates an active market. Out of the total 10 million tokens, around 7.60 millions are circulating. Built on the Solana blockchain, Eurocoin is designed for real culture engagement, from voting in mascot competitions to participating in digital collectibles and events. While the price has dipped recently, the project's strong utility and cultural foundation highlights its unique position in the Web3 ecosystem. So here you can see that its price is going up and up. Here you can check that it is showing a bullish trend. Now we will discuss it on CoinGecko. Here you can check that market overview on CoinGecko. Eurocoin is currently trading at 1.09 dollar and it is showing 1.0% increase during the last 24 hours. The coin market's capitalization exceeds 8.3 million, backed by steady trading volume, and with a capped supply of 10 million tokens, scarcity plays an important role in the market values. Its recent positive movement and cultural use cases suggest that it has growing interest with the crypto community and beyond. You can check out further details on CoinGecko. Now we will discuss its exchange and growth. Eurocoin is already listed on platform like MaxC, Bitmart, LBank, and most recently Bluefin Exchange, making it accessible worldwide. And its August 2025 report is showing this live stream attracted thousands of participants, generating significant engagement and demonstrating the cultural demand behind the project. Now we will discuss its social media community. Here you can check out the social media community of the Eurocoin. Dear viewers, to stay updated and engaged with Eurocoin, you can join their active community. Here is Telegram community. I would like to recommend all my viewers to join the Telegram community. And here is the Twitter page of Eurocoin. Follow the Twitter for official announcements, campaigns, news, and live events coverage to see you never miss an important updates. And here is the Discord. There viewers, a place to interact in real time with fans, share ideas, and build community connections. Here is Discord, and I would like to recommend all my viewers to join the Discord. And at the end, I would like to say that Eurocoin is not just a token; it's a cultural bridge connecting Japan's mascot traditions with the world of blockchain. For more details, you will find all relevant links, including the official website, Twitter, Telegram, Discord, and white paper in the video description below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with others. For ongoing updates on cryptocurrency and NFT projects, be sure to subscribe and stay connected with our channel. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Goodbye.